All right, hey everybody. So I thought I'd give you a little tour of something that most of you probably haven't seen. It's a beautiful day here, Willamette Valley. Nice beautiful skies. So most of you went to the auto repair shop and you've seen the Snap-on truck and the Mack truck out there, but you probably haven't seen the inside. So I thought I'd give you a view of that. I know I've been walking through the San Francisco airport and looked down, seeing the old Snap-on truck out at a plane, and the reason why is because he's chasing that guy down for his weekly tool bill. But here what we've got is the Mack tool truck. So this guy comes first in the day, so we're gonna shoot him first. It's gonna be a great product made by the guys that build the Snap-on trucks and the Mack trucks. We'll take you inside because you've all seen the outside of one. So let's go inside. This is the inside of a mechanic's candy shop. Right here. I mean, big, beautiful toolboxes. I can't even get far enough away from them to give you guys a good image. So, got all your power tools up here. More power tools. Then you got the ceiling with all the goodies up there. And then the shelves and shelves and shelves of goodies. So, Bo, what do we got going on in here? Is this your truck?
Selling tools, yep.
Selling tools. Chasing that weekly tool bill.
Absolutely. Looking to get everybody they need.
Right. Well, thanks, Bo, for letting us come on here. We're gonna do a little more music and show some good stuff, but I thought everybody would like the inside view of a tool truck, seeing as how they get to see them when they drop their cars and their motorhomes off, but they never get to go inside. So this is the inside of the Mack candy truck, as we call it. So we'll take you on to some more adventures, and thanks for watching. All right, so we're gonna head on into the truck here. We got Mike hanging out at the computer. We'll come in here and give you the ceiling shot. So we'll start back here in the corner because we made it back here. That's quite the rack of beautiful, I'm talking beautiful Snap-on torque wrenches. So, Mike, tell me what you got going on here.
We got everything. Anything you need to do your job. If it's not on the truck, I will find it for you. And was a tech for 40 years, so I know tools.
Well, that's excellent, Mike. It's a pleasure being able to come onto this truck, let everybody see what the inside of the Snap-on truck, and like I said, the Mack truck earlier. Like one time, I'll tell you this story too, Mike, is I was walking through the San Francisco airport and looked down off the breezeway, and there was a Snap-on truck next to a plane, and there was the mechanic walking out the door. What was he doing? He was getting that weekly tool payment. Because just like we have a weekly tool payment, he has a weekly tool payment, so imagine that. So that's why you'll see these guys out there hustling, because it's a franchise. This is their own business. Snap-on just helps support them in advertising. A more pretty cool bubble clock we got going down here with the 100th anniversary, and some little coolers. Buy yourself some tools, get some free goodies. I remember the first time I said to a guy, how do I get one of those Snap-on clocks? He says, you buy something. So I ended up spending about 400 bucks, and that was back in 92. Imagine what that costs today. But I still got that clock today. You'll see it in some of my videos. But I want to give everybody the tour. We'll show you these beautiful toolboxes. This is a pretty cool one here. Now some of these toolboxes can go for more than a brand new Honda Civic. And for all the ladies out there, especially my girl, come in it hot with that purple anodized with the gray box. That's a beauty. I think that one I might be able to get approved by the wife there, because it's her colors. It's gonna go way easier over in the discussion. We got the pink fender covers here. I love the fender covers. Always bust them out on the dashes of the motorhomes. Keep everything nice, treat it like you would your own. Got another torque wrench here. And then you come back here into the back, and he even has his own drawers for being able to do screwdriver repairs and all of his ratchets and everything repairs. And then for us, we got the full drawers full of chrome knickknacks and gewgaws. So we got some beautiful $100 bills just floating around. If you think you're gonna spend that, you better get your running shoes on. But so everybody, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you enjoyed. Just a quick little 5 minutes of the tool trucks. But thanks for subscribing, hitting those notifications, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Till next time.
Thank you very much, and hope to see you out there, sell you some tools, and help you to do your job more efficiently. That's what it's all about.
All right, everybody, you've heard it from Mike. All these Snap-on guys floating around throughout the country, out there in the backwoods of Idaho, clear down into New York, getting it done in the metropolitan areas. They're here so we can get your stuff repaired. Thanks again, everybody. Bye-bye.